In this guide, we're going over how you can get the Great Mage Sword here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, what you need to go ahead and do is make your way over to the teleporter and make your way to Easter Island here in C2 because this is where the entire grind happens. Now, you need to farm the Great Mage boss and collect materials here. There's a bunch of different materials that you need, and of course, you end up purchasing it from the Great Mage right here, but you need an Ancient Mage title, you need 500 Easter eggs, 18 spell echoes, 10 ancient fragments, 5 magic essence, and 1 mana core. And most of these drop from the Great Mage boss, except Easter eggs. Those are dropped by the bunny NPCs, which of course are located right down here. So farm these guys, get yourself some Easter eggs. Once of course you get yourself the Easter eggs, and you need a lot of them, you're going to want to solely focus on the Great Mage NPC, which is actually kind of near a mountain in this location. If you walk over right past it, you're going to see the summoner. Just interact with it and go ahead and spawn in the boss. Obviously, it's going to cost an Easter key as well, which you also get from those bunny NPCs. However, it is super rare. And then you just fight that boss, get all your materials, head up to that NPC, and you are good to go. Obviously, the higher difficulty is going to cost more keys, but it's going to give you better drop rates. Alternatively, you can get the sword from the Easter egg shop NPC for about 1,500 eggs as well, or just buy it from the shop with Robux if you don't want to have to worry about any of the grind. But that is the entire process. If you guys have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.